Hi, baby.
Hi, Cat Pow Pow.
You're okay. Cool. Oh, you're okay. I know. I need an ouchie.
Oh, sorry.
I don't think it was
Good. It just, I wonder, like, the back. How heavy are you?
Okay, let's just get a temperature.
Oh,
Okay, Panther. Yeah,
okay. What is the temperature? Okay?
98.2. It's actually a little low, but we'll try again. Sometimes our ear, but sometimes our ear thermometers aren't the most accurate. Okay, if you just want to put a hand on her, we can
Yes. So how heavy?
8.73.
Not so bad, right?
Yeah, she lost a little bit of weight since last time. I know.
Okay. Pow Pow is a good girl.
You're okay, Panther. You're okay, Panther. You're okay. Oh, you're okay.
Okay, baby.
Do you want a towel? Can I get a towel?
Do what you want. I have a towel.
I know, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let me see your face. Good girl.
You panther?
Good little Panther. You're okay. I just want to see.
Pow Pow, muốn ngài nữa hả? Okay.
You're okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. I know you're nervous. Stay around. Yeah, she has some debris encrusting in her ears. Looks like. I know, I'm sorry. Okay.
It's layered, I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, it's okay. Just need to listen.
Anyway, you can see me adjust.
I think I can go under. It's easier. Panther's belly.
Oh, did you poo-poo?
Yeah, it smells a little bit.
It's fine.
Okay, say sorry. Feel your belly.
Pow Pow. Pow Pow.
Okay. Check. All right, yeah. So this is the area you're talking about, right here. Okay. Yeah, and you think that might be. It looks like almost like it might be glitter. I think that might be litter.
Oh, mucus, like.
Yeah.
Oh.
Or no, litter, like her litter from her.
Was she in the bathroom?
Yeah,
In
her
her
litter
box?
box, like this.
She used. I put her. I put her the cleaning shit, so she only.
Oh, so she doesn't use a litter.
Yeah,
litter
because
box?
because she matched her body.
Yeah. So I think it's more of a problem with like, because she has trouble using the bathroom. This area gets gross.
That's why.
And that predisposes
But she
her.
don't have problem when she was in cage. Only when she go out and come back. Some free time. That's why.
Yeah. Okay. So when you say go out, you mean within your apartment?
Yeah, within my
okay.
I have other cats.
And then sometimes she has a hard time
She just pee everywhere, like
Okay.
maybe, you know, dirt, I don't know.
And do you find that, yeah, she doesn't get infected when she's in her cage using her
No,
clean?
no, she don't have problem
Okay.
at all.
Yeah, so...
And she went out one time, like and then she don't have issue. Then she asked me again, like 2 weeks later. Then she went out and this time got some issues.
You're okay, Panther. Yeah, so I'm definitely concerned about superficial infection back here. As you know, she has a history of that. And I'm also a little concerned about her. See, in her ears, she has a decent amount of discharge in her ears.
Okay.
She seemed bothered at all? Did she scratch at them?
No.
Or shake her head?
No. Oh, she's shaking.
Yeah, I think she's
She a
nervous
baby?
right now.
Oh, maybe I just need to clean it.
Yeah, we
I
can.
just need to clean.
We can clean them.
Yeah, can you
while
help clean it?
Yeah, sure. And would you mind if I took a little swab from them and looked at them under the microscope, just so I could see what's growing in there?
Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
And same with her hind end. I think likely what I'll do is what she had done in the past is that antibiotic injection. Best thing that we could do for her going forward is to keep that hind end as clean as possible.
Okay, yeah, sure.
If you notice that she's having buildup of any like urine or feces back there, just to clean her up.
Yeah, I clean her 2 times a day if I can.
Yeah.
Every time at night.
Yeah. Did you have you been doing that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And she's still getting infected?
No, it's just because she
because you did it
she
for
went
a couple
out.
of days. Okay.
She only every time you know she oh, you're shaking. Okay. She needs some freedom.
Yeah.
And
no, I know. Yeah, she has to have some sort of quality of life.
Yeah.
And then also, did you want to do another Silencia injection today? She hasn't had one in a while, or did you want to go the holistic route? Because you didn't feel like it helped her that much.
Yeah, I think now I have to stop a little bit because I have to find another way to help her.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So why don't we steal her?
But because I'm afraid that if that's 2 injections at the same time, does it interact with each other?
They shouldn't, but I agree that maybe let's get this infection cleared up first, and then we could address the orthopedic issues after that. So we could steal her. I'm just going to take a little sample from her ears.